Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing my monthly unboxing of my Sephora Play, my Boxy Charm, and also my Ipsy bag. This is so exciting because normally this stuff comes at the very end of the month, so I'm so excited to actually get it up early for you guys. But anyways, really quick before we get started, if you are new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week. So Wednesdays, Fridays, and then mail hauls every single Monday. But I'm excited to dive into these boxes, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm subscribed to Ipsy and then Sephora Play, and then Boxy Charm actually sends me their box each month. We're gonna see how this goes. I kind of said this last time, but I almost want to cancel Ipsy and Sephora Play and then like do another $20 subscription one because normally I just don't feel like there's a big value there. So this is the Boxy Charm. So it says Galaxy Glow, and then it has all the prices of all the items that are in the box. Okay, so first thing I see that we have here is the Cover FX Shimmer Veil, and then here's what the packaging looks like. This is actually pretty pricey. The shade that they sent over is Amethyst, and here's what it looks like. I'm actually going to keep this for you guys because I have this already. I wonder if I have it right here. You know what? I think I have it in this bag. Found it! This one is going to go in a pile for you guys. Okay, so we will go ahead and swatch this. It is really, really pretty. These are like super glittery and meant to be used like as toppers on the eyes. So the Amethyst shade has like a pinky undertone, but really pretty. And these actually retail for $28, so that's already more than what the box cost each month. So here's a close-up of that shade, and again, that is Amethyst. I don't know why my wrist looks so weird. Okay, next item we have are some chrome brushes. Actually, when I first opened this, I thought that these looked like the Wet n Wild brushes. We have 3 different brushes. The first one you have is like a shader eyeshadow brush. We have a pointed powder brush. And then we have basically like a contour brush. And the retail on these brushes are $29.99. Ooh, the next thing we have is a Pure, and this is a plump lip exfoliator. So here's what this looks like. I feel like it actually smells pretty good. I'm not gonna obviously swatch this, but it's an exfoliator that you can put on your lips. I like that it's in like the shape of a lip liner, so you can just roll it up. And this actually retails for $17. And it says it is a 4-in-1 scrub pencil that exfoliates, plumps, hydrates, and soothes. Soothes. Why can I not say that? Soothes? Soothes. Oh my gosh, I'm crazy today. Okay, next thing we have is a Vintage by Jessica, and this is a jet black smoky eye pencil. We will swatch this. Ooh, it's actually pretty creamy. So it's just like a black kohl pencil. And this retails for $21. And then the last thing we have is from Naked Cosmetics. I love their pure pigments. So here's what this looks like. This looks like some type of palette. Ooh, it looks like a highlight palette. So let's swatch this. So here are the top 3 shades. These are like duochrome type highlighters, it looks like. So there's the top row. They're okay, but they aren't like super impressive. Like I probably wouldn't purchase this palette. The palette itself retails for $39.99. So yeah, I definitely don't think I would buy the palette for that much because one, I don't like these like colors and highlighters. They're like I don't know how to describe it. Okay. So there, those swatched right there. So overall, this is a decent box. This by far isn't like my favorite box I've ever had from Boxy Charm, but overall it's okay. So hopefully the other boxes will get me hyped. Next we will do Ipsy. Okay, so the first thing we have is Meteor Shower by Black. It says, baby, did you fall from outer space? It looks like it is a scrub, a facial scrub. So that is very interesting. I feel like that could get really messy with the packaging that it's in. But the bag this month is so cute. So it's just like a blush shade, and then it has like lace at the very top, and it feels very not full. Okay, so next thing we have, ooh, this is from Luxie. And this is a double-sided brush. So the top of the brush, this looks really nice. It basically could be like a eyeshadow brush, like a shader for your lid. And then at the top, you have more like a blending brush. And it is a full-size brush. And then next thing we have, this is a Pure Fully Charged Mascara. And this is a little sample size. This has actually turned out to be a decent Ipsy bag. And then let's see here. Ooh, so this is by IBY Beauty, and this is a Radiant Glow highlighter. Let's hope this doesn't look like a sample shade. Just kidding. Okay, let's see. So here's what it looks like. It is a little teeny size. Ooh, but it looks really pretty. It's like a champagne highlight. So there's that. And then here that is swatched. This looks like it would be really, really pretty. And then very last thing we have, this is from Marsk, and this is a pigment in the shade Fold Again. So there's that right there. I mean, it's okay. It's like not super duper pigmented by any means, but there it is right there. So right now, honestly, I feel like Ipsy's kind of in the wind. I don't know why. I just didn't really like love the Boxycharm box. So next we have Sephora Play. So it says Feel the Love. Okay, first thing we have is the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm, which I do really like. We have a fragrance, of course. I'm not going to open this up because I normally, honestly, don't ever like the fragrances. So I'll keep this aside, like to give to you guys in a giveaway. We have, ooh, this looks nice. So this is the Laura Mercier Rose Gold Caviar Stick. Oh yeah, this is very pretty. You honestly could probably even use this as a face highlight. So there's that right there. Caviar Stick by Laura Mercier. We have, ooh, okay, Sephora Play. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Firm X Peeling Gel. And this is a gel exfoliant for your face for skincare. And this is actually a pretty good size. It's 0.5 ounces, which, I mean, most time, like if you have an eye cream, it's a 0.5 ounce eye cream, and that's normally expensive. Then we have the Sephora Rouge Matte Lipstick in the shade Rebel Chick. It looks like something happened to the top. So it looks like a really pretty vampy shade. Kind of looks like MAC Rebel a little bit. No, maybe it's too red for that. There's that shade. And then, ooh, happy dance. Okay, this is a NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. Sephora Play, you are stepping it up, my friend. Ooh, so this is the shade Let's Go Crazy. I mean, that's crazy. Normally they don't do 2 lipsticks. Ooh, I like that. And this is a pretty decent size. So again, Let's Go Crazy by NARS. I like the size of that. Oh, that's it. I was like digging my hand in there like, where's the rest of it? I feel like I would say that Sephora Play won only because I like the brands that were in there. You had First Aid Beauty, Peter Thomas Roth. I have this lipstick, which I'm really excited about. The sizes were pretty decent. So that is my winner for this month. But let me know what you guys got in your subscription bags. Really quick. No, don't cut that part out. Sephora Play, Ipsy, and first thing we, so it says fill the, ooh. What's your favorite subscription? Let me know down below. And then as always, I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.